discussing the test of magnetic effects of current. So I start from question number 1. First question was the production of current in a coil when it is rotated in a region of magnetic field is. This is Faraday's law. Okay, this is not the principle of electric motor. Principle of electric motor is exactly the reverse of this. And both the above is also not true and none of the above is also not true, right? So first part, A part was correct, Faraday's law. All right. Then second question is the magnetic lines due to a bar magnet are same as that due to a solenoid. So A option that was correct again. So that was solenoid. We have drawn the magnetic field due to bar magnet as well as due to a solenoid. Both are exactly the same. Right. Third question is a fuse is always placed in dash of main circuit. Which wire of main circuit? Live wire. And rather in series with the live wire. If it was asked in series or in parallel, then also you must be able to tell that in series in live wire. So that is the live wire, not neutral wire, neither earth wire. Okay, question number 4. SI unit of magnetic field intensity is Tesla. Okay, very easy question it was. SI unit of magnetic field intensity is Tesla. Fifth question is the shape of magnetic field lines produced by a circular current carrying conductor is. If we have a circular current carrying conductor, then it is not concentric ellipse, it is not concentric parabolas, right? It is concentric circles, you can say. And if they would have asked at the center, then they would be parallel straight lines. Okay, but they are just generally saying they are talking about the shape of magnetic lines. So that was circular, right? Circular circles or concentric circles, you can say, right? अगर सेंटर पे पूछते तो ध्यान रखिए वहां पे स्ट्रेट है, वहां पे पैरेलल वायर्स हैं, स्ट्रेट वायर्स. All right. Then question number 6. A coil of insulated copper wire is connected to a galvanometer forming a loop and a magnet is A part held stationary, B moved along its axis, C moved towards. There will be an induced current in which case? In first case, there will not be any induced current because till there is no change in magnetic flux, till the coil or magnet is at rest. By that time, there will be no induced current. There must be relative motion between the coil and the magnet. Relative motion must be there between coil and the magnet. Is that clear? Okay. So B and C only. Its answer was B and C only. I'll be taking up your doubts in the end, Ramanjeet and Sahaj. Seventh question. Inside a magnet, the magnetic lines move. They move from south to north. Otherwise, the outside the magnet, the direction of lines is from north to south. Inside, if we complete the loop, that gets reversed. It is from south to north. It is from south to north. Question number 8. By which instrument the presence of magnetic field can be determined? It can be determined with the help of magnetic needle. Because other options are incorrect. We can't measure using ammeter, galvanometer or voltmeter. You know what are their purposes. Question number 9. A current flows through a horizontal power line from left to right direction. The direction of magnetic field line 0.5 meter above it is what? So let us see how we can apply Maxwell's right hand thumb rule here. The direction is from left to right, direction of current, and point is here, 0.5 meter above. Okay, whatever is the distance. So point is lying here. You apply Maxwell's right hand thumb rule, keep the thumb in the direction of current, and this point is now upwards. So see the direction of magnetic lines. They are coming outwards. They are coming outwards or they are in the north direction. This is north, this is south, this is east, this is west. So according to the options, our answer would be north. So A option was correct, north. Okay, now the last question, 10th question, short circuiting is due to. First part is insulation of wire being damaged. You know that it is because of poor insulation of wires, because of which live and neutral wires they may come in contact with each other, because of which short circuit happens. Other fault in appliance or accidental hike in supply voltage, that is afterwards. Okay, that is not the reason of short circuit. So all of the above was not correct. The answer was A part, insulation of wire being damaged. Okay, so this was all about the test, and now let us resume with the cases that we were doing yesterday. So first of all, I want to ask a question from any student on the basis of three cases that we did. Image formation by concave mirror we were doing. We were doing image formation by a concave mirror. Okay, so I want to ask Drishti of 10C, turn on your video and unmute yourself. Drishti.
Yes, ma'am. मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
अब आ रही है? अब आ रही है आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
question: when the object is placed at C, what type of image is formed? What are the characteristics of the image formed? And where is the image formed? You have to tell.
Ma'am, image is formed at the focus. And ma'am, the image is real and inverted.
When object is kept at C, image is also formed at C, not at focus. Okay, when the parallel beam of light is incident on the mirror, then the image is formed at focus. Otherwise, it's not formed there. Okay, so keep
Ma'am,
these cases in mind.
characteristics लिखने थे.
हाँ, characteristics भी वो तो ठीक है, real है, inverted है, ठीक है. But where it is formed at C only, and it was of the same size, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us do the fourth case now. Fourth case, that is object between C and F. So draw the mirror, draw P, F and C. Object between F and C. Next case, let us do this. So we will keep the object now here between F and C. Keep the object between F and C. One ray which is parallel to principal axis. Always we will take a ray at least parallel to principal axis. Obviously it will pass through focus. It will pass through focus after reflection. So draw the first ray first. Okay, draw the first ray, then after this, there are two possibilities, there are two options for us. Either we can make the second ray pass through focus, which will go parallel, or we can also make one ray pass through C. Okay, and it will be the case of normal incidence, it will come back and meet here the previous reflected. So let us draw the image by both the methods, whichever you find it comfortable, you can draw by that method. So second ray is passing through focus and it should go parallel to the principal axis, and see here is the image formed. So image is formed beyond C. It is obviously real. It is inverted. Characteristics are image is real. It is inverted because rays are actually meeting here. And this is the size of object, this is the size of image, you can see. So it is magnified, image is bigger than the object. And where it is formed beyond C. These are the characteristics of the image form. Image is formed beyond C. And if I use this ray, Then I have made it pass through C. So when the ray is passing through C, it will come back. So this is also the reflected ray. It will meet here again beyond C. So it is not compulsory that you draw all the three rays. Any two rays you have to draw to show the formation of image. Draw any two rays. अगर आपको ये फोकस वाली रे ठीक लगती है तो ये ड्रॉ कर दो, नहीं तो ये सी वाली. बट व्हाट इज द कॉमन मिस्टेक दैट द स्टूडेंट्स कमिट इन दिस केस? दे लीव द रे अप टू हियर ओनली. मिरर ये वाला पार्ट ड्रॉ ही नहीं करते हैं. ठीक है, ये यहाँ जब तक मिरर से स्ट्राइक नहीं करेगी तो रिफ्लेक्ट कैसे होगी? दिस थिंग यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. ठीक है. और वन मोर मिस्टेक दैट द स्टूडेंट्स कमिट इज दे डोंट पुट बोथ एरोज आल्सो. तो नॉर्मली अगर आप ये वाली रे ड्रॉ करते हो तो मिस्टेक के चांसेस कुछ ज्यादा हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, मिस्टेक के चांसेस जो हैं वो इंक्रीज हो जाते हैं. सो यू हैव टू कीप दीस टू थिंग्स इन माइंड इफ यू चूज दिस रे पासिंग थ्रू सी. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर? इज दिस केस क्लियर? नाउ लेट अस कम टू फिफ्थ केस. गिव द हेडिंग ऑब्जेक्ट एट फोकस. Object at F. So again, draw the mirror, draw P, F and C. If you have drawn this case, then let us move towards that. So now your object is at focus. Object is at focus now. Again, draw one ray which is parallel to principal axis. It will pass through focus itself, that is sure. Any ray parallel to principal axis will pass through focus certainly. Okay, draw it. Then your second ray. Again you have two options with you. Either you can pass the second ray through pole. So reflect that ray through the same angle and it will be like this. Or you can pass the ray through C also. So there are again two possibilities you are having. So let us draw the easy one. You say one ray is striking the pole and it gets reflected like this and it will be parallel to the previous ray. So we will say कि image is formed at infinity. बहुत दूर जाके image बनेगी, मतलब कि infinity में बनेगी almost. ठीक है, image will be assumed to be formed at infinity. So what are the characteristics of image formed? Again, जहां पे भी बनेगी कट करके बनेगी real. Real will always be inverted. It is formed at infinity and it is highly magnified. जितनी आगे बनेगी उतनी ही magnified बनेगी. Highly magnified. So these are characteristics of image formed in this case. These are the characteristics of image formed. अगर आप दूसरा बनाना चाहते हो केस सी वाला तो आप ऐसे कर सकते हो. Again the same thing. एक रे जाने के लिए, एक एरो आने के लिए, दो एरो आपको बनाने पड़ेंगे. Then it will be complete. Again this ray should be parallel to the previous ray. This ray should again be parallel to the previous ray. So I hope it is clear to you. Both the cases are clear to you. 5 cases. So you have seen in 5 cases concave mirror is forming real image. Now let us take up the last case in which it is forming virtual image. So last case is we are moving the object closer and closer. पहले हम infinity पे रखा, फिर हमने beyond C रखा, then C पे रखा, then between C and F, then at F. Now between F and T we will be. तो धीरे धीरे हम उसको पास लेके आ रहे हैं. And what do you observe? Size of image is increasing as we are moving, as we are bringing the mirror closer, the object closer to the mirror. Size of image formed is increasing and increasing. We started from point sized image and size of image is further increasing and increasing. पहले point size हुआ, फिर थोड़ा और हुआ, फिर same size की हो गई, फिर magnified image आना शुरू हो गई, फिर highly magnified image आनी start हो गई. So this kind of question is also there. Conceptual question may also be there. That what happens to the size of image formed as we bring the object closer to the mirror. So you have to comment upon these things. So in 5 cases, the image formed is real. All right. Now let us draw the last case. And one more point you can note, after generalizing all the cases, we can note down 2 points. That when the object is between C and F, image is formed beyond C. When the object is beyond C, the image is formed between C and F. Okay? So to learn, you should have this picture clear in your mind. You will find it easier to learn then. If object is between C and F, image will be formed beyond C. If object is beyond C, image will be formed between C and F. These 2 cases are opposite, reverse of each other. And 2 cases और हैं जो reverse हैं. When the object is at infinity, image is formed at focus. When the object is at focus, image is formed at infinity. So ये 2 cases भी reverse हैं, right? So note down both the points. Now we draw the last case. Object between focus and pole. Object between focus and pole. So again draw concave mirror. Draw its pole, its focus and its center of curvature. Then keep the object here. Okay? Keep the object here. One ray, again, though you have very small distance here, even then, one ray which is parallel to the principal axis will pass through focus. एक रे सभी केसेस में हमने ये वाली ड्रॉ की है, ठीक है? A ray parallel to principal axis will pass through focus for sure. Another ray, we have again 2 possibilities. Either we can pass it from pole of the mirror, or we can pass it from center of curvature. हमारी choice. तो कोई भी ले सकते हो. Suppose we take second ray going and striking to the pole. So according to the reasoning angle, इसको bend करो तो ये ऐसे है. Now it wants to be parallel to the previous ray. Distance is increasing, so they will never meet here. So image will never be formed here in this direction. So to find the image, we have to produce the rays backwards. उनको bend नहीं करना है, जहां जाके मिलती है वहां मिलने देनी, ठीक है? bend नहीं करना, जितनी दूर हो जाए चाहे वहां पे ड्रॉ कर दो, नो प्रॉब्लम्स, ठीक है? पर उनको ऐसे बेंड नहीं कर देना, उतनी ही आपने मीट करवाना, जहां पे मीट करती है वहां पे कर देना. तो here they meet. So here we will draw the arrowhead. उसी से हमें पता चला कि image formed is erect. Virtual image is always erect. So image formed is behind the mirror in this case. क्योंकि ये image reality में नहीं है, ये तो virtual image है. हम तो assume कर रहे हैं कि ऐसे होगा, imagine कर रहे हैं कि ऐसे बनेगी. So what are the characteristics of image in this case? Image is virtual, erect, highly magnified, and it is formed behind the mirror. It is formed behind the mirror. So these are the characteristics of image formed in this case. So draw this case. सबसे ज्यादा ये वाला केस पूछा जाता है क्योंकि this case is different out of all the 6 cases. ठीक है? And this is the only case where concave mirror forms virtual image. So note it down, draw it very carefully, and do the practice also of all the cases of image formation by concave mirror. अभी हमने convex mirror के भी करने हैं, फिर lenses के भी करने हैं, तो आप इसको side by side fix करते जाइए, then it will be useful, right? So I hope you must have noted down. Now what are the uses of a concave mirror? Write down. Where is a concave mirror used? Write the uses of a concave mirror. Write down. कहाँ यूज होता है concave mirror? मेकअप मिरर, लुकिंग मिरर. लुकिंग मिरर तो प्लेन होता है, ठीक है? जो मेकअप मिरर है जिसमें हम मैग्नीफाइड इमेज चाहते हैं, थोड़ा शेविंग मिरर जो है उसमें concave मिरर कई बार यूज करते हैं, ठीक है? तो लिख लीजिए uses of concave mirror: used as makeup mirror, looking mirror, नॉट लुकिंग मिरर, शेविंग मिरर। फर्स्ट पॉइंट हो गया। सेकंड पॉइंट, इट इज यूज्ड इन सोलर कुकर्स, इट इज यूज्ड इन सोलर कुकर एज रिफ्लेक्टर। सोलर कुकर में रे ऑफ लाइट, सोलर लाइट को रिफ्लेक्ट करने के लिए इनटू द बॉक्स, उसके लिए भी स्फेरिकल रिफ्लेक्टर टाइप सोलर कुकर में कनकेव मिरर यूज होता है। Then next use is, it is used in telescopes. Concave mirrors are used in reflecting type telescopes. Reflecting type telescope, for example, Newtonian telescope में use होता है. That is a very good telescope from the point of view of image it forms, the resolution it gives, right? So it is used in Newtonian telescopes, reflecting type telescopes, to see the details of distant objects very clearly. All right, concave mirror is used there also, used as a reflector in solar cooker also. Then next use, it is used as reflector in solar water heaters, and even it is used in solar furnaces. Concave reflector is used in solar water heater also and solar furnaces also, जो प्रोड्यूस क्वाइट अ हाई रेंज ऑफ टेम्परेचर। अगर हम प्लेन मिरर यूज करें सोलर कुकर में तो अबाउट 100-140 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर जनरेट कर सकते हैं, बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्फेरिकल रिफ्लेक्टर वी कैन जनरेट अप टू 200 डिग्री सेल्सियस ऑफ टेम्परेचर। सो हायर टेम्परेचर कैन बी जनरेटेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ कनकेव मिरर। ठीक है, और कोई यूज जो आपके माइंड में आता है? इफ यू हैव एनी आइडिया इन योर माइंड यू कैन रेज योर हैंड। यस, एनी अदर यूज ऑफ कनकेव मिरर इफ you can mention? Yes, so I think this is enough. So uses of concave mirror, all about concave mirror we have read. Now next is image formation by a convex mirror. You know, I told you that convex mirror can only form virtual image. It always forms virtual, erect and diminished image of the object. It always forms virtual, erect and diminished image of the object. All right, so that's why there are only two possible cases. Either the object is at infinity or anywhere else, और कहीं पे भी रख दें एक ही टाइप की इमेज बनेगी इसकी। ठीक है, और कहीं पे भी हम इसको रख दें एक ही टाइप की इमेज बनती है हमेशा। राइट, सो स्टूडेंट्स यू गिव दिस हेडिंग नाउ, image formation by a convex mirror. There are only two cases. Convex mirror. Convex mirror. So first case is object at infinity. Now remember we have to draw convex mirror. This is convex mirror. This is pole, focus and center of curvature. Okay, mark at equal distances. Now object is at infinity. Already we have drawn this ray diagram. So take the rays parallel to principal axis and it will diverge the rays of light. It will send the rays of light as if they are coming out of focus. As if they are coming out of focus. So that means image appears to be formed at focus. Virtual image is formed there. So characteristics of image, again when the object is at infinity, image is formed at focus. Since rays are appearing to meet, it is virtual. Virtual is always erect and it is almost point size or highly diminished. आप देख सकते हो कि आपको कोई इमेज का साइज दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, so you can say it is point size or it is highly diminished. Same diagram we had drawn when we defined the focus of convex mirror. ठीक है, ये वही है. So draw this. This was the first case, and write the characteristics of image formed also. Okay, let's move to the second case. Second case. Object anywhere else. एक ही टाइप की इमेज बनेगी और कहीं पे भी रख दें. इंफिनिटी के अलावा और कहीं पे भी रख दें, एक ही टाइप की इमेज बनेगी. तो आवर सेकंड केस इज जनरलाइज्ड केस. ऑब्जेक्ट एनीवेयर एल्स. आप ये कंप्लीट करो. मैं मिरर ड्रॉ कर देती हूँ बाय दैट टाइम. So object anywhere else, कहीं पे भी ऑब्जेक्ट रख दो. सपोज हम ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ रख देते हैं, कहीं पे भी रख दो, यहाँ रख दो. आप कुछ डिस्टेंस पे भी रख सकते हो, जहाँ मर्जी रख दो, एक ही टाइप की इमेज बनेगी. So let us take one ray which is parallel to the principal axis. One ray which is parallel to the principal axis will diverge, and on producing back it will appear as if it is coming out of focus. So draw one ray which is parallel to principal axis. It will appear to come out of focus. It will appear to come out of focus. Now let us imagine second ray passing through C. तो सेकंड रे सपोज कर रहा है, ऐसे लग रहा है कि सी में से आ रही है. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल्स ये रे कैसे जाएगी? इट विल गेट रिफ्लेक्टेड बैक. तो ये रे कैसे जाएगी? इट विल गेट रिफ्लेक्टेड बैक. तो दो एरो आपने बनाने हैं. अगर आप एरोस नहीं बनाते हो रे डायग्राम्स में, आपको हाफ क्रेडिट मिलेगा. हर जगह देखो, हर रे पे मैंने एरो बनाया. ऑन ईच एंड एवरी रे आपको एरो बनाना पड़ेगा. ऑब्जेक्ट पे भी बनाना पड़ेगा, इमेज पे भी बनाना. ठीक है. सो सी दिस रे विल अपीयर टू पास थ्रू सी. इट विल कम बैक. वापस आते हुए ये पहली रे को यहाँ पे मीट करती हुई लगेगी. तो यहाँ पे आपने इमेज बनानी है. डॉटेड बनानी है बिकॉज अगेन इट इज वर्चुअल इमेज. डॉटेड बनानी है. ठीक है. वर्चुअल इमेज हमेशा डॉटेड बना देनी है, सॉलिड लाइन से नहीं बनानी है. सो दिस लिटिल वर्चुअल इमेज विल बी फॉर्म्ड हियर. जहां पे कट कर रहे हैं वहां एरो बना दो और ये इमेज बना दो. सो व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ इमेज फॉर्म्ड इन दिस केस? इमेज इज अगेन वर्चुअल. Virtual image is again always erect, and it is highly diminished, very small, or you can simply write diminished. And इसकी location भी fixed थी. It will be formed on this side. ठीक है. अगर आप इमेज थोड़ी दूर ले जाओगे या थोड़ी और इधर बन जाएगी like that. So its location is not fixed. So let's not write its location. So we will write only three characteristics of image formed. So what are the characteristics common in both the cases? Image is virtual in both the cases, erect in both the cases, and small in both the cases. So we come to this conclusion that convex mirror always forms virtual, erect, and diminished image of the object. Okay, so you can learn the main point, basic point about convex mirror. It always forms virtual, erect, and diminished image of the object. It always forms virtual, erect, and diminished image of the object. Is that clear, students? All right. Okay. तो ये complete कर लो. Now you can ask your doubt.